Hard to believe that was on a Soprano. Uh, I'm really astonished by this little oak, little Ole, X1 Mahogany Soprano. Very beautiful mahogany. Love the binding and everything on it is very nice. It's just very elegant looking. I absolutely adore the side fret markers on all Oles. I think I like this little Ole Soprano better than the two Ole concerts that I got to try. Those were both L series, and they were both amazing concerts. But I think the X bracing, I think I just really like the X bracing more than I did the lattice bracing. And especially on the Soprano, I mean, it's just really stunning. This is the most concert-like Soprano that I have tried to this point. Very concert sounding, especially with these Ole strings. These higher tension strings just really make it sing, make it move. Just lovely tone on it. This one's not mine. This one's actually in here. The owner is going to get rid of this one. Okay. They actually love this one so much that they actually got one of the upgraded Ole X Sopranos. I think they got one of the X2s or X3 models. And with a whole lot fancier wood combination. That's the only reason that they're letting this one go. But man, really stunning ukulele. Like I said, it's just really concert-like. Really long sustain, lots of resonance. There's lots of, even up the fretboard, it really seems to ring out good. Stunning instrument. I've measured about a 36.5 millimeter nut on this. Extremely comfortable profile to the neck. Very large rounded frets on it. I really love the large frets. It makes the chording and stuff so much easier. Even with these high tension strings, just really nice playability. Has a radiused fretboard. I haven't got to try radius fretboards on a Soprano before, and I really like that. My Coco Bolo concert has a nice radius on it, and I absolutely adore it, but I haven't got to try it on the Soprano. And you can tell the difference, especially bar chording and things. It just really seems to make it easier. I think that, especially along with the big frets, is a playability thing of really making it seem like it's easier easier to chord and get clean notes on it. A friend of mine, we talk a lot about frets that are way too small. They don't like them if their fingers can slip up past the fret easily without noticing it. And I've noticed that myself also, and especially on certain chords and things. I'm real bad up on the fourth string to want to slide past my frets, especially if I can't feel them good. And the really large frets are just so nice. They also help a lot in, the accents and things like that for me. Being able to, control the tension that you're applying to the string. And I mean, I just really, really love everything about it. I've been a little bit hesitant about getting this one posted up for sale. I've been trying to talk a couple of my friends into getting it. I was trying to keep it close in the family. But this is just seriously a stunning, stunning ukulele. Black Goto UPTs, best tuner on the market as far as I'm concerned. I mean, it's just so stunning. And like I said, this ain't one of their fancier models, but it just looks so elegant to me. Has a really, really good feel to it. So loud. It's warm but chimey. I'm so impressed with it. I would like to change the strings and try some more strings on it. But this is a string through bridge, and so I can't take these off and put these strings back on it. So I'm gonna leave these only strings on it for its new owner. But boy, I tell you, if I didn't already have a room full of ukuleles. Thank you for watching.